Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can post on Pinterest. So while at the Pinterest application, tap at this plus icon in the middle, start creating now pop-up window, choose what kind of post you would like to create. You can either go with idea pin, a regular pin, or even a whole board. So I'll just post an image, just a simple picture. Thus, pin is the option that I'm going to go for. So then choose the image from your gallery, click next, give your pin a title. So I'll name it the Hard Reset logo. Give it brief description if you would like to. I'll describe it as cool green logo. And you can optionally, apart from writing a description, you can also optionally add a link to some website, perhaps some website of yours which you're advertising, or any website practically. And you can also help the Pinterest algorithm by writing an alternative text over here, so the people will be able to find your post or pin way easier. Then click at the next button, choose to which board you would like to save this pin. I'll create a new one, name it one, let's say create, and just like so you have posted to Pinterest. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.